Let's see our problem. A tangential force F acts at the top of a thin spherical shell of mass m and radius capital R. Find the acceleration of the shell if it rolls without slipping. Here is our spherical shell and the shell rolls on the rough surface. The surface is rough. Why? Because in our question it rolls without slipping. No slipping, that is friction present. Here is our force of friction. Along this direction, force of friction small f. Now we set up our equation. The spherical shell rolls in this direction and it moves with linear acceleration a. Now the equation of motion, here the net force F plus small f. We know net force equal to mass into acceleration, ma. This is our first equation. Here the shell rolls, therefore torque is present here. Net torque equal to F into R minus small f into R. Here this force, this F give the anti-clockwise moment. F into R, this force tends to rotate the sphere in clockwise direction, therefore we take this positive, and the torque, that is moment of force small f into R, this tends to rotate the sphere in anti-clockwise direction, therefore we take it minus Fr. Now this is equal to I into alpha. We know torque equal to I into alpha. Again we know linear acceleration A equal to R alpha. If we put the value of alpha, then we get I A divided by R. Therefore, from this expression we get F minus F equal to I into A upon R square. Here we take common R, that is F minus F equal to IA divided by R square. Next, the moment of inertia of a shell about its diameter 2/3 m R square. Therefore 2/3 ma R square upon R square equal to 2/3 ma. This is our equation 2. Now we solve equation 1 and 2. This is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. Add 1 plus 2 we add equation 1 plus 2, and this gives 2f equal to ma plus 2/3 ma equal to 5 ma upon 3. First equation capital F plus small f, and second equation capital F minus small f are cancelled, and capital F plus capital F gives 2f. 2f equal to 5 ma upon 3, and we get a equal to 6f upon 5 ma. This is our required result. Therefore, the acceleration of the rolling shell is a equal to 6f upon 5 ma. Okay, thank you.